Good morning, students. This is the last video regarding leadership, leader or leadership traits. In this, we'll be discussing about methods of developing leadership traits. So far, this is concerned, there are mostly six methods by which a person's leadership can be developed. Before this, one is inborn leadership. Those traits, those qualities which are inborn at the time of birth. Some people are having the leadership qualities. So far, the world is concerned, there are six types by which these traits can be developed in an individual. The first thing, the first point is reading. If you want to become a leader, then it's mandatory for you that you have to read the stories of old leaders. By reading stories about old leaders, the leadership qualities will automatically develop in yourself. This is the first point. Second point is observation. The next point, by observing your followers, by observing your organization, by observing your leaders, you will also become a leader, or the leadership qualities will be developed in yourself. Then the third point is talking and discussion. To whom you have to talk? You need to talk to the leaders. You need to have a discussion with the leaders. Then only, then it is easy for you. Then the leadership qualities will be developed in yourself. Next is tours and trips. You should be a part of tour and trip, so that the change of so that when you'll be a part of tours and trips, somehow you'll get a responsibility, or to lead the team, to make the decisions, all those qualities which you require uh, for becoming a leader. These responsibilities, either you watch them, either you observe them, either you read them, either you get a chance to talk to them, either you discuss with them, or you yourself will get those responsibilities, so that you can become a leader. Next is training camps. So far here, mostly you will be discussing about the NCC and other organizations also, defense services also. In NCC, we are organizing advanced leadership camps and basic leadership camps and advanced leadership camps, where most of the syllabus is dependent on the leadership only, where the students, or we can say the cadets, are being given training how to become a leader, how leadership qualities will be will you will get the leadership qualities in you. So by attending these type of training camps, the leadership qualities will be developed in you. Sixth point is giving responsibility. This is the important point. If you want to become something, if you want to attain something, you have to go in it. Whenever you will get a chance to become a leader, for accomplish to lead a group at, of course, a group of 2 members, 3 members, then only you will increase it. So you need to lead. You should not just make hands up. You should take the responsibility. And we can say learning by doing method. It is so far education is concerned, we say learning by doing. Whenever you do something, you'll learn from it. uh, Here I will again tell you, learning by mistakes. When you have a chance, you did a thing, but after finishing the thing, you know that there was such time waste, these many mistakes I made. Next time, if you repeat the same work, the mistakes will be less, and the time duration will be also short. Then atmosphere and participation. Giving responsibility is the same participation, we can say. Then atmosphere also, you should be having that kind of that leadership atmosphere should be there. That also helps you developing leadership traits. So if you want to become a leader,